Good morning, students. So, we were on this chapter number 4, affirmative and negative sentences. So, yesterday I have explained this chapter, that what are affirmative sentence and what are negative sentence. So, the positive sentence is known as affirmative and the negative sentence is known as negative. So, let's go through the exercise. The first question is, choose the correct option. A sentence which has not in it is called affirmative sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence. Just tell me the sentence which has not. Not means negative sentence. So negative sentence is the correct answer. Next, an affirmative sentence agrees with a. So affirmative sentence agrees with a statement, question or desire. Statement. Statement is the right answer. Now, exercise B. Write the following sentences in another way. The first one has done for you. So, you have to write these sentences in another way. As what are these? Just see, not, 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 not. These all are negative sentence. And how we can write negative sentence in another way, that I will tell you. So the first question is done for you. He has not done either his essay or his sums. So how you can write this? He has done, either will change into neither. He has done neither his essay nor his sums, or will change into nor, and either will change into neither. Okay, that means this not will cut. When you will not add this not, how you can change these sentences? Now next question, she did not do anything. How you can change it when you will remove not? Just write she did nothing. She did nothing. Nothing. She did nothing. Anything will change into nothing, and this will remove. Next, third question. He cannot play either cricket or table tennis. So what you will do? You will cut this not. Yes. And how you will write? He can play. He can play. Either will change into neither cricket, or will change into nor table tennis. Just write down, he can play neither cricket nor table tennis. Okay. Now next, his father cannot read or write. How you will change it? His father can, just cut this not, neither read nor write. His father can neither read nor write. Fifth, they cannot give you any more money. How you can write it while removing not? They can give you no more money. Any will change into no. They can give you no more money. So once again I am explaining this. Please write down. She did not do anything. The answer is she did nothing. She did nothing. Next question. He cannot play either cricket or table tennis. Write down. He can play neither cricket nor table tennis. He can play neither cricket nor table tennis. Next question. His father cannot read or write. Just write down. His father can neither read nor write. His father can neither read nor write. Fifth question. They cannot give you any more money. Write down. they can give you no more money. Now next, change the following negative sentences into affirmative. Now you have to convert the negative sentence into positive sentence or with a statement. So the first question is, Mohan saw it nowhere. How you can change it into affirmative? Mohan saw it. Just cut this nowhere and write somewhere. Mohan saw it somewhere. Okay. Second question, there is no water in the bucket. Just write down there is, cut this no and instead of no just write down there is some water in the bucket. There is some water in the bucket. Now third question, I know nothing about him. Just cut this nothing and write I know, instead of this nothing write something about him. I know something about him. Next, she can play neither chess nor carom. Just write she can play, instead of neither just write either, chess, and instead of nor write or. So she can play either chess or carom. Understood? Next, he never comes in uniform. Just cut this never and write always. He always comes in uniform. Okay? Just see no, 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 neither, never. That means these describe that these are negative sentence. So you have to cut this and you have to change this in the form of affirmative. Okay? Once again, Mohan saw it nowhere. Write down Mohan saw it somewhere. Instead of nowhere, write somewhere. Second, there is no water in the bucket. Instead, cut no and write there is some water in the bucket. Next question, I know nothing about him. Just cut this nothing and write I know something about him. Next, she can play neither chess nor carom. Just cut this n and what sentence will be there? She can play either chess or carom. Next, he never comes in uniform. Just cut never and write he always comes in uniform. So dear students, just write down this exercise in your book. Thank you.